Hey everyone, welcome aboard. Whether you are a seasoned tech enthusiast or just trying to make your phone last a bit longer, turning on the battery saver mode on your Xiaomi device can be a game changer. Today I'm here to guide you through the process. Let's dive in. First things first, let's kick off by opening the Settings app on your Xiaomi phone. Then, scroll down until you spot the battery option. After that, give it a gentle tap. Within this menu, you'll find the battery saver option waiting for you. Simply flip the switch to turn it on. Now, you'll notice that you can eke out some extra juice from those dwindling battery percentages. However, keep in mind that this mode does throttle your phone's performance. If you need all the power for a game or app, you can disable it right here. Alternatively, you can also toggle this feature from the Quick Settings panel. Just swipe down from the right side of your screen. Next, look for the battery saver icon and tap on it to enable or disable it as you wish. And there you have it, folks. That's how you manage the battery saver feature on any Xiaomi phone. If this video was helpful, don't forget to show some love by hitting the like button. Hungry for more tips and tricks related to Xiaomi phones? Then make sure to subscribe because there's plenty more where this came from. Thanks a bunch for tuning in, and I'll catch you in the next one. Take care!